Guys, I talk about sound. That's a seven. Do you hear that? Focus on. Let's learn what sound is. What sound is? Okay. Science. Today we learn about science. Sound. See the boy? He is shouting to someone, and also this boy is way the music is loud. He need to cover his ear to do something. Loud things to make big things. You can hear things when you're shouting, but when you don't shouting, you're quiet. But also, something can be noise. Also, you can talk to someone. That is sound. A sound can be bigger or smaller. Some sounds can be bigger or smaller, but some sound doesn't. Also, some sound can be noisy. This boy play music, and this music is very loud. Okay, to hit hard. The lightning comes. When you see a thunder, you see a lightning coming. And also, that word is strike. Strike. A strike means to hit with something, or a bottle strike, fell down and strike the house. Also, it strike a tree. And that word is strike. Strike means to crash down. Also, a lightning can strike. What that? These are this man and girl. They are not crazy. They are a sound telling of a danger. They are not crazy. They just feel scared because they have a fire in the apartment. And they have to get off, and that word is they use a loud sound. A sound tells of a danger. Danger. A danger is mean a fire, and that word is alarm. 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 You have to run quickly, or get out into the house. Know where to get out. Hide under the desk. That will keep you safe. Okay. But also a burglar alarm can go off too. And also something is danger is happening, and that word is alarm. A message tells that something bad may happen, like a fire in the top of the mountain. Don't go up there. You can be burned into heat. Just when you see the sign, that tells you to go down. And that word is warning. A warning might happen. A message tells that something bad might happen. Also, you see the pause sign. This word is warning. Also, you can see warning on this sign too. So here, when an airplane falls one way before the airplane crash on your head. Also, when a fire goes down from a mountain one way, or call the firefighter to help put out the fire, and you can go up and go down up the mountain. How high or low a sound is? How high or low the sound is? And this word is pitch. Pitch. Pitch is mean. To pitch is means you see the hammer is being bent into two bells. The bells ring. That is a big sound. I don't know, or a low sound. A big sound or low sound can be as when you see or hit, and that is a big sound. And that one is a pitch. Pitch. When it's time to wake up, it's a big sound. But when you go to sleep, it don't have another sound. It just have zero. Okay. Pitch. How high or something is. How loud or soft a sound is. Ah! Look at this girl. What happened? She is angry. She is not angry. She looks like she pulling her hair and with her tongue out, and that is volume. This girl is very. This girl can't hear anything because her dad is watching computers or watching TV very loud, and she can't get out of the window or the door much. She just play in her house and wait for daddy. She will on the floor to wipe her head, but no time to lose to make a loud, deep sound. To make a loud, deep sound. Lightning, crash, down to sound, and what after lightning? I know it is called thunder. Thunder is like this. Thunder is like boom, 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 boom. And this is womble. The boom boom is called the womble. The womble is mean the lightning just make a one like this. It's make one sound. But thunder can make 3 sounds or 10 sounds. Or 1 sound or 2 sounds too. And that word is womble. When you are hungry, your tummy womble. I'm hungry. Time to eat lunch. Time to eat meat. To shake quick. You see this 2 people using a jackhammer to break the road. This looks like a worker done to break the road, to fix the road. This word is word. Use the vibrate. It means to do something, to pull and let it go. You see these girls are they also switch the button to fix the guitar, and then they pull the string, let go. I don't know who plays the guitar. I know she don't know to play. She don't know music. Maybe she playing guitar. She pluck the guitar. She pluck the guitar. Pull, let go. That means to pluck. A loud, high sound coming from lips or whistles. Okay, a whistle means a loud humming sound to do that. A whistle like this, like that. I don't have a whistle because I don't know how to play whistles with my mouth. But also mommy. And that word is whistle. So whistle word can be have E, but some can have S too. Also some have E. And that word is whistle. A loud, high sound coming from the lips or whistle. It means a whistle. A whistle can be a verb. This one is a verb. This one is a noun. Also, you can have two whistles. When you choose whistles, you are lucky. A loud, winning sound, and that one is siren. It's coming from the police or the fire truck. The fire truck and the police has siren. The second one is the fire truck. A siren is also fire truck. Also, a siren is in the house. I don't know the word is. I know the sound is like. And I just know the fire truck name. Okay. Two alarm fire. It means two fire truck came to put out the fire. But three fire truck came. That means three fires in your house. So three fire truck came to put out the fire. Something that is asked. Jesus boy, he is have a question. He raised his head to let the teacher know. Opposite of forward. Also, this girl is look like a little strange. Where's her head? Why her head is back and her hair is behind her? That is what is back. Don't say I turning forward and back. That is crazy. Okay? But some people can say backward. But don't say word. You go forward. You look forward. You go backward. You look backward like that. Okay? That also my front and my back like that. Okay? Softly look like they are married. They are married together in a castle. They're married together in a castle, and that was it is windy. I think they are married in a castle. And that word is gently. The part of a body of a dinosaur, that also see the dinosaur, a part of the body between the head and the shoulders, and that one is neck. See the dinosaur. It have a very have a very long neck. Also giraffe. a long thin rope. Also, it's on a yo-yo too. That one is swing. A long thin rope is a swing. A long thin rope is swing. Forward. It also can be backwards, but also this I know this boy is talking forward. Also forward, what forward go? Looks like your car go forward. And this boy also talking forward. He don't talk backward. He is talking forward. He or she. I think he is in a thing. Forward. Forward. Also, this what is fork. Fork means to you eat fork. You talk fork. Fork. Sorry, my mouth don't look well. You also look forward. Fourth. You dress fourth like that. You talk about fourth. Or sorry, we both have a problem. Sorry. Okay. Fourth means to go forward and go, and also you look forward and eat forward and take bath forward like that. Also, my leg look like a problem. I saw mommy doesn't look well when your mommy have a problem when I speak this in the future. Okay. Remember to click that full video to describe basket and also this teacher visit that full in a terrible. Bye bye.